proposed construction of Ram Mandir, Bhumi Puja performed. Jai Sri Ram, Jai Jai Sri Ram. Namaste to everyone. In this episode, I am going to discuss about Ayodhya Rama Janma Bhumi Puja. Why this date has chosen, and with respect to Lagna is very important. I will explain. And the nakshatra chosen also, it's very important. After several hundred years, India performing this Bhumi Puja for Sri Ram Mandir. That means Ram temple going to construct in that place. What is the important about Bhumi Puja? To see any Lagna for wedding or any other auspicious moment, the Lagna always denotes for 90 minutes. Within the 90 minutes, all auspicious rituals to be completed. Astrology preferably giving 48 minutes within the 90 minutes. The 48 minutes are very important for Muhurta. Inside the 90 minutes, the 48 minutes we have to calculate exactly how the planets are supporting, from which time to which time, that 48 minutes we have to choose. With respect to Ram Janma Bhumi, that means Bhumi Puja conducted for Lagna is Tula Lagna, and the Lagna duration is very limited time. Only 32 seconds. That means Lagna fixed for Bhumi Puja, 12 o'clock, 44 minutes, 08 seconds to 12 o'clock, 44 minutes, 40 seconds. This is the Lagna time. See, the Lagna is fixed with respect to duration, because after several hundred years these auspicious things are performing. See, why they have chosen Satabisha Nakshatra. Satabisha Nakshatra is for Devata Pratishtha. To undertake renunciation, we can perform auspicious things, Upanayana, Grahapravesa, that means new house ceremony, like that. This Satabisha Nakshatra is for philosophy study, astrological study, and other related to auspicious event. We can take Satabisha Nakshatra fixing with Lagna. Especially here, the Satabisha Nakshatra represent for Devata Pratishtha. Here we are going to perform Bhumi Puja for Devata Pratishtha. Devata is Rama. So that is why they have chosen this auspicious movement. The Lagna is very limited time. Actually 90 minutes Lagna. Within 90 minutes we have to select 48 minutes. But here they have not selected minutes, they have not selected hours, but only they have selected seconds. Only 32 seconds in the Tula Lagna is very auspicious for conducting Bhumi Puja in Ayodhya for Ram temple. So there is some reason for fixing some Lagnas, taking some nakshatras, and fixing for specified duration. All these things are very important, because sometimes we see why this has taken for short time duration. The Lagna time is very important. In that, the particular time, the 32 seconds is very important. For south side people asking, the south side people, this is for Ashada Masa, but North Indians, this is for Shravana Masa. Fixing Bhumi Puja is very auspicious. So Shravana Masa is already initiated, and then Satabhisha Nakshatra is for Devata Pratishta. And that Tula Lagna, in the Tula Lagna particular, only 32 seconds. The stone laying found, that means the silver stones are laid in Bhumi Puja. In Vedic astrology, we need to calculate micro issues for performing macro task. The macro task is here after several hundred years, this auspicious occasion taking place. So, for that very, very important time as chosen with respect to short time duration. And only stone laying, 5 stones are going to lay, that is a silver stone. So, if you see other things and all, the Lagna fixed, the Lagnadipati is sitting with Ragu. Lagnadipati Venus is in 9th house. The Dashanada, Ragu is also in 9th house. The Jupiter, Saturn, Ketu and all aspecting Lagnadipati and Dashanada. So, there are more and more deep astrological study we have to undertake. Then only we can come to some conclusion why this time has chosen for Bhumi Puja for Ram temple. So the fixed Lagna and Nakshatra, Dasha and Dasanada, Lagnadipati, all are in safe position. So that is why with limitation time of that particular duration, 32 seconds are taken for Lagnam. So this will be taken care only in depth of astrological study. This Bhumi Puja for Ram temple at Ayodhya is very, very important. Arrange the times and all very, very perfect. This will be once the mandir is, once the temple is constructed, the temple has to come for yugas. That is not only for this next 100 years or next 500 years. See, after 400, 500 years, we are independently performing without any disturbance in that place. That itself is a clear indication. So, fixing of Lagna is also very important. They have chosen Tula Lagna in that they have taken 32 seconds is the Lagna, and the Nakshatra is very, very important. The particular Satabhisha Nakshatra is Devata Pratishta and other auspicious also. And then Lagnadipati is in 9th house and Dashanada is in 9th house. This Lagnadipati, Venus and Dasanada aspected by Saturn, Jupiter, Ketu. All these things functioning, and powerful Mars also aspecting the Dashanada and Lagnadipati. That indication for sometimes government has to use some forces, that means the defense forces, to maintain the construction of temple. So Mars is also very important to provide the support for Lagnadipati and Dasanada. So the entire fixing of Lagna perfectly fitted the time, and the execution of task till completion of mandir construction, everything goes successful, and it has to be a mega project, because Ram Mandir we are imagining with the picture, but the construction of Ram Mandir, huge task for that Ram Temple Trust to take a very, very hard task for them. So the entire thing is fixing in a particular time, chosen the time, or all the fixing of Lagna, Dasanada, Lagnadipati, powerful Mars aspect and Jupiter, Shani, Ketu aspect, all these things are very beautiful times of constructing new temple for Rama at Ayodhya is very important for Hindus, and everyone should participate at the time of Kumbhabhishekam. That means a temple opening ceremony day. Mostly the current situation will goes up. All parts of the world people will participate for the opening ceremony of temple, that is called Kumbhabhishekam. Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram. Thank you very much. Proposed construction of Ram Mandir. Bhumi Puja performed. Jai Sri Ram.